Did you know America once assassinated Japan's top military commander, and then both sides pretended it never happened? Admiral Isoroku Yamamoto was the man who planned Pearl Harbor. In April 1943, US codebreakers intercepted a Japanese transmission with his exact flight schedule over the South Pacific. The time, the route, the stops, all of it. But acting on that information was a gamble. If Japan noticed their supreme commander had been ambushed on a classified route, they would know their naval cipher had been cracked. And that cipher was giving America a massive advantage at a critical point in the war. Washington approved the mission anyway. 16 P-38 fighters flew nearly 700 miles and shot down Yamamoto's plane almost to the minute. Then something strange happened. Japan couldn't admit he was ambushed. That would mean admitting their own codes were broken, so they buried it. They called it a combat encounter, a vague, honorable death in the field. They spent months protecting a secret the enemy had already stolen.